Okay, so today I'm going to explain how to use if, elif, and else. And my project is a way that you can use this code in a real life situation. So I made a code that would tell me how many cookies I should make based on how hungry my roommate was. So the first thing I did was ask her to rate how hungry she was on a scale of 1 to 10. And then I took that number and I made code out of it. So the first thing that we have to do in this code is define the roommate hunger level, which is 6. So I just wrote out roommate hunger level equals 6. The next thing we have to do is write the if statement. So this pertains to the higher level of numbers that she could tell me. So I said that if she says that she's a 6 or higher, that's hungry enough to make 6 cookies. So in code, this looks like roommate hunger level is greater or equal to 6. The next is the elif statement, and this pertains to the middle numbers, the numbers in between the lowest level and the highest level that she could give me. So I said that the lower level would be a 4 or more. So if she says a 4 or higher but still less than 6, I will make 3 cookies. And how this looks in code is elif roommate hunger level is greater than or equal to 4 and roommate hunger level is less than 6, make 3 cookies. And lastly is the else statement, and this correlates to any number that she could give me that was less than 4, so on the lower end of the options. So all I had to write there was just else print make 1 cookie. So if she says that she is a 3 or less on the scale, then I would only make her 1 cookie. So all that's left to do is just to go to the store and get the cookies.